Right, so this is going to be a little video. The missus and I, we are heading up to Yarmouth tonight in the Widebody. We're going to see what kind of reaction we get. We got the little action camera with us, so yeah, we always get a great reaction when we turn up in the Widebody because it is stupidly wide. So yeah, let's see what sort of reaction we get. Peace.
ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
Day we hustle, but the night we
Know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
day we hustle, but the night
Boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
day we hustle, but the night we
Know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
day we hustle, but
Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. CJ Ike, they ain't no longer about. They ain't no longer about. They ain't no longer about. CJ Ike, they ain't no longer about.
day we hustle, but the night we
Boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.
day we hustle, but the night we
Boys by my side. Know that they ride or die.
Right, so it's the next day. We ran out of battery and whatnot, and we didn't have any chargers with us. So, but it was a good night. We didn't stay up there too long. There were a lot of police around, but they didn't bother us at all. You know, they only bothered the people who were being dickheads. So, you know, don't drive like a dick. You don't get bothered by the police. I mean, you just seen the pictures that I've just shown you in the video of my car, and I don't get bothered because, you know, don't drive like a dick. So you can have a modified car, really stupidly wide, and go to car meets and not be bothered. So, you know, start buying more wide body kits, guys. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Nothing fiberglass related. Just thought, you know what, we'll vlog a little evening out. I know it wasn't too much footage, but yeah, we wanted to actually enjoy the night ourselves rather than enjoying it through the lens of a camera. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm going to be doing some more of these videos, like car meets and whatnot. I've got a new camera coming, so be a bit more stable rather than all shaky, and hopefully one with a microphone that works, because currently my action camera, I have two microphones and either both of them are broken or my actual, something to do with the camera, won't do audio. So yeah, that should be turning up today. Give that a test and see how the next video comes out. So catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.